Hi students, this is Chandrasekhar, Social Science Teacher, BGS Public School, Shitlgatta. Welcome to the session 2, the problems of India and their solution, class 10 of Political Science Unit 1. In the last session, we all gathered in detail information about since 1947 to till India has facing a lot of problems. So such a problems like unemployment problem, corruption problem. So these 2 points information in detail we are all gathered. So that is what is the meaning of unemployment and what are the causes for unemployment. Then what are the measures implemented by government to eradication of the unemployment, like then another one, there is a corruption throughout the Indian country. What is the meaning of corruption and what are the effects of corruption? Then finally, at what type of measures has been implemented by government to eradication of the corruption? So in this session, we all gather in detail information about discrimination and other some of the important problems. Here see the discrimination, mainly here discrimination based gender, caste and region. So between the male and female there is a discrimination. Caste, Brahmins, Vaishyas, Shudras and Kshatriyas, from ancient time to until there is a discrimination in a caste. And region, the state wise also there is a discrimination. Few states are developed states, few states are developing states and few states are backward states. So like region, so discrimination based on gender, caste and region in India. So Indian society is made up of some of the important patriarchal values. What is the meaning of here patriarchal? The power handled by father, it means the male persons but not for female persons. So based on that, in Indian society implementing certain rules and regulation, so that leads to the discrimination between the people, that leads to the discrimination between the people. Here it discriminates the role of women and men because of the reason the society made up of patriarchal values, the power handled by male but not for the female, based on the power of man, it means not for women. So work is dividing for men and women, work is dividing for men and women. So it discriminates the role of women and man according to the patriarchal values. So this is the reason purpose, this is the reason purpose there is inequalities are there between men and women in our society. This is sometime asking for 1 mark question and sometime 2 mark question. Why there are inequalities are there between men and women in our society? Means because Indian society is made up of patriarchal values and it discriminates the role of women and men according to the patriarchal values. This is the main reason we have to find out in society inequalities. Got it? Very, very important. And here government also implementing certain programs and the government providing lot of reservation in the field of education and employment to avoiding of the discrimination. Government providing reservation in the field of education and employment to avoiding of the discrimination between the people. So like see, and next year in the local level elections also, after the education, in the local level education, local level elections also, Grama Panchayati elections and even Jilla Panchayati elections also, providing first preference to the women, first preference to the women. Because of the reason women has facing a lot of problems in a society, to avoiding such a problem is very, very important and very, very essential. So this is the discrimination, this is a discrimination. What is the meaning of discrimination? Means discrimination based on gender, caste and region is more evident in India. This is called as a discrimination. Got it? You should be keep in your mind. First one, the gender discrimination. To avoid the gender discrimination purpose, there is a reserve, there is a reservation 1 by 3 of the seats in local elections. 1 by 3 of the ಮೂರನೇ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, there is a 50% reservation is there. Local body elections, Grama Panchayati elections and Jilla Panchayati elections, there is a 50% of reservation is there. 50% of reservation only for the women. 50% of reservation. Karnataka is the first state in our Indian country providing 50% of reservation to local body elections for women. With this measure, efforts are on to end the discrimination prevalent between genders. So like widespreading, prevalent means widespreading throughout the country, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 by 3 seats, 50% ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್, employment opportunities reservation, local body election reservation. So these are all the reasons purpose. So this you should be keep in your mind. See, so the equal responsibility for men and women, equal responsibility for men and women, that is very essential and that is very important. So gender discrimination avoiding purpose, gender discrimination avoiding purpose. So that we should consider for the gender discrimination between the male and the female, between the male and female. Then after, caste discrimination. People are know everybody just like gender discrimination. So as it is like gender discrimination, the caste discrimination also one of the important biggest challenge to India, one of the important problem to our Indian country. Which one? Caste discrimination also one of the important problem to Indian country. Look at caste system is a gift to Indian political system from the ancient societal system based on Varna. Do you know, like when during the period of civilization, Harappan Valley civilization, post-Vedic civilization, Vedic civilization, so on that time here the caste based system emerged. Varna system, 4 Varnas are there. First Varna is Brahmins, second Varna is Kshatriyas, third Varna is Shudras, fourth Varna is Vaishyas. So based on the caste, the people engaging for different and variety kinds of the works. Brahmins are involving in or engaging in rituals, yagnas, yagas like. And Kshatriyas, they were the leaders of the battle. Kshatriyas. And Vaishyas, they engaging for agriculture. Then Shudras, they carrying lower level work. So this is, we should consider for the caste discrimination in society. Caste discrimination in society from ancient time to till 21st century, there is a caste discrimination is there in society. Here see, many measures have been undertaken in the constitution itself to prevent caste based discrimination. So here constitution implemented lot of measures. Government also trying to solve the caste based discrimination throughout the country. The right for equality, you know, like fundamental right, the first one, right to equality, right to freedom. These are the some of the important measures to avoiding of the caste discrimination between the people. So these all implemented section 3 of the Indian Constitution. Section 3 means third part of our Indian Constitution implemented for the fundamental rights. So which part of our Indian Constitution implementing the fundamental right means third part of our Indian Constitution implementing the fundamental rights. So like going on for the caste discrimination throughout the nation. So this is also one type of discrimination, gender discrimination and for the caste discrimination. In this caste discrimination, mainly got it, most of the people doing a good efforts to control for the caste system. It means also this caste system is continuously going on. So this cannot be solved only with the legal intervention. Through the rules and regulations, through the law and order, it is highly impossible to control for the caste system. Then how can it possible to control for the caste system? In order to eradicate this system, the society also needs, so that we the people living in a society, we the people living in a society, we all feel all are equal. Everybody have to feel all are equal. So that is why mainly here 10th December 1948 in UNO declared for Universal Declaration of Human Rights. All are equal like. All are equal like. So we the people living in a society, we have to accept the change. First we have to change, then possible to change for the caste. So like doing means definitely possible to avoid for the caste discrimination. So dear students, this is the in detail information about for the caste discrimination. And another one is regional inequality. Regional, so between the states there is the inequalities there. Few states are developed states, few states are developing states, and few states are backward states. Few states are backward states. Look at here, regional inequality like gender discrimination and caste discrimination. This is also one of the important problem. Like gender discrimination, like caste discrimination. Here regional inequality also one of the important big problem to India, big challenge to India. So some regions of the country, it means some parts of the country, some parts of the states achieve a lot of progress. So they developed very very well. Few states of our Indian country developed very very well. Got it? Many parts have remained backward, but few states, few parts not developed very very well. So this showing inequality between the regional level. This showing inequality between the regional level. That is why here, in order to remove such inequalities, because of the reason few states are developed, few states are backward. So this is inequality. This one avoiding purpose. Got it? The Article 371 has been amended. Article 371 has been changed into A to J. Article 371 A to J. First the Article 371 is there, then after it amended from A to J. First A is there, then it was amended to J. Because of the reason, in order to remove such inequalities between the regional level. Hence, these amendments, backward regions have been given special status through the Article 371A and J. Article 371A and J. Most of the backward regions received special importance. So in Karnataka, Raichuru, Gulbarga. So that we should consider for the Hyderabad, Karnataka. Hyderabad, Karnataka. See, under the Article 371J, 371J, Hyderabad, Karnataka received special importance, special status. Because of the reason, all the states not yet developed states. All the states not yet developed states. This is regional inequality. Got it? Regional inequality also like caste and like gender. Biggest challenge. That is why implemented Article 371. It was amended A to J. Through this, most of the backward areas receiving special status. And mainly here, dear students, in spite of all these measures, the regional inequalities problem has grown to such an extent that many are demanding independent state. What? So this is the extended problem more and more. Nowadays, most of the states are demanding independent state. Recently, Andhra Pradesh divided into two parts. Navy Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Because of the reason, Telangana demanding for the independent state. Telangana demanding for the independent state. So this is also one of the important reason for regional inequality. In the light of these developments, what it, there is an urgent need to eradicate regional imbalance. So like in this critical situation, it is the responsibility, duty of the constitution and government to eradication of the regional imbalance. Regional means state level there is a no balance, there is a imbalance, because all the states are not developed states and all the states are not a backward states. Few are backward, few are developed. So this is regional imbalance. That is why our Indian government appointed one of the important person as a committee head, regional imbalance committee head. That person DM Nanjundappa. DM Nanjundappa, and this person did a survey throughout the country and find out some of the important measures between the states. Because of the reason, he submitted a report. See, some of the most backward regions of Karnataka have been accorded special status by adding Article 371J. This credit goes to DM Nanjundappa, especially in Karnataka. When Karnataka government appointed the head of the regional imbalance committee, he did a survey throughout the Karnataka and he submitted report to the Karnataka government. Then after, few backward areas get special status, Article 371J. So Hyderabad, Karnataka, Raichuru, Gulbarga, Bidar, so such a places. Look at the picture of DM Nanjundappa. So like here available for the mainly regional inequality. Got it? Gender discrimination, caste discrimination and regional inequality. After, very important dear students, communalism. Got it? Loyalty about our own organization. How like here, we people belongs to Hinduism, we love Hinduism and hate for Islam religion. Otherwise, we people belongs to Islam religion, we love Islam religion and hate for the Hindu religion. So that is a communalism between the religions, between the groups. There is a opposite self-interest. Opposite self-interest. There is a no self-interest. There is a opposite self-interest. Islamic people against for the Hindu religion and Hindu religion people against for the Islamic religion. Because of the reason, communalism, loyalty about our own organization. Hindu people like Hindu religion, Islamic people like Islamic religion, Christian people like Christianity. So like. Then here, what is the meaning of communalism? Look at here. Segregation. Segregation is nothing but here practicing separate. Practicing of separate in the name of caste, in the name of religion, in the name of birth. So like segregation in the name of religion. What it? Hindus are separate, Muslims are separate, Christians are separate, like, and creating hatred and cultivating opposite self-interest. So hating another religions and creating opposite self-interest. How like creating? Hindu people are spreading Hindu cultural values are great throughout the Indian country like. So as it is like Islamic religion people spreading Islamic religion people only and culture only good and hate for the Hindu religion like. So like opposite self-interest upon the another religions. This is called as communalism. This is called as communalism. So, segregation in the name of religion and creating hatred and cultivating opposite self-interest can be called as communalism. So this is a major problem to our Indian country. It is a major problem to our Indian country and it creates special differences. So between the religions, suspicion and fear situation. Suspicion means we won't believe to another religion persons. Hinduism religion people won't believe to Islamic. Islamic people won't believe to Christianity. Christian people won't believe to Hindu religion. So like fear situation is there. And here the political competition and social groupism. So between the parties also, based on the caste, based on the religion, there is a communalism. Got it? So in this way we can expressing for communalism. In this way we can expressing for communalism. So you should be keep in our mind what is the meaning of communalism. Means segregation in the name of religion and creating hatred and cultivating opposite self-interest can be called as communalism. Here mainly see communalism has the capacity to endanger the integrity and unity of India. So this is a danger, endanger, most of the danger to our Indian country. It's completely spoiled the unity of India, integrity of India, wholeness. Unity means also same, integrity means also same. ಈ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್ ಇಂದ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Got it? Integrity and unity, wholeness or unityness completely spoiling because of the reason communalism. It not only disturbs the peace of the society and it also destroys the public and private property. See, sometimes look at the pictures. When there is a clashes between the religions, when there is a clashes between the religions, so that leads to destroying of the public property and even private property also. Got it? Here see auto, that is a private property. Rail, that is a public property. Auto is a private property. Rail is a public property. So burning for that. Burning for that. Here public property recovering very very easy because of the reason government collecting most of the tax upon the people. Then what about for the private people? So this is one of the important harsh method in our Indian country. Got it? Mutual occasions, physical assaults. Most of the people here see the mutual occasions. There is a lot of changes, a formal change. Our mind always not be same, changing from one time to another time. And the physical assaults, most of the people involving in a crime. I'll give an example. ಇವಾಗ ರೈಲನ್ನು ಸುಟ್ಟಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಸರ್ಕಾರದವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಏರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಏರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಏರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಟೋ ಸುಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ, ಅವನ ಜೀವನಾಧಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವನ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಏರ್ಸಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಕ್ರೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಗಲಾಟೆಯಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನಾಧಾರವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಳತನ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದರೋಡೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸುಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಈ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಅಕೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ physical assaults, undesirable effects. Apart from this, some of the important effects also available through the communalism. This credit goes to communalism. And here, communalism puts self-interest ahead of national interest. So here, national and self, there is a, between these two, there is a differentiation is there. At what type of differentiation? Through the communalism. ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಆವಾಗ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್ ಪುಟ್ಸ್ self interest ahead of national. We can give an importance for individual development but not for the overall development. So that you should be keep in your mind. And the communal forces make attempts to increase their communal forces in the country. So day by day increasing of the clashes. So few people highly impossible to control for the few police officers, few army persons highly impossible to control for such a classes. That is why when increasing for the communal activities, in the same way increasing of the communal forces also. What it? Appointment of military, soldiers, police, constable, etc., etc., etc. like. So that is increase their communal forces in the country because of the reason communal and activities and communism. So they attempt to preach their religion and also tend to be suspicious of other religion. What's saying about the communalism? We have to give respect to our religion. We have to follow certain rules and regulations in our religion, but we have to hate to other religion. We have to neglect for another religion aspects, teaching. So like we're all doing means unity, effect of the nation. Unity ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Because of the reason, what saying for the communalism? Preach their religion and also tend to be suspicious of other religion. What is the meaning of a tend? We have to protect our religion, but not to other religion. Because of the reason, communalism creating such a awareness to the people. So as a result, the country has to spend a lot of energy to maintain internal peace and order. So that is why our government struggling more and more. Our government struggling more and more to avoid the communalism. Got it? This was the reason purpose only. Government has been implemented lot of measures. Government has been implemented lot of measures. So these all we should consider main effects of the communalism. Effects of the communalism. So like see picture. Got it? We can like our religion symbols, but hating for another religion symbols and another religion customs, traditions, whatever like. This all available for only communalism. Then, at what type of steps has been implemented by Karnataka government and the central government to eradication of the communalism? Yes, here central government implemented lot of measures to eradication of the communalism. The first one, see, mainly a lot of precautions are needed to address the challenge posed by communalism. We have to implement lot of measures. So like uniform civil code. It means throughout the Indian country same rules and regulations. Same rules and same regulations. Equality among all the citizens under the constitution. Got it? All are equal. No one can above and no one can below. One of the important measure. Supporting secular values in the society. So each and every one religion people has their own secular values. Celebrating customs different. Celebrating festivals different. Got it? We have to support them. Hinduism people supporting to Islam. Islamic people supporting to Christianity, Christianity people supporting to Hinduism. Like each religion supporting secular values are very very important. So like government doing. So the picture, Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam. It show the equality but not for the inequality. Transcending narrow thoughts in favor of national interest can be the solutions for communalism. Transcending, go beyond the limit. Got it? ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬೇರೆ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಬೇಕು? ಬೇರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫೇವರ್, ನಮಗೆ ಫೇವರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಫೇವರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಹೊರತು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, not any one state. Got it? So such a concept we have to implement in our mind. Uniform civil code, equality, supporting secular values, transcending narrow thoughts. And apart from these, here mainly see, economic and social inequality could fuel the communalism. Economic and social inequality. Got it? Fewer rich, fewer poor. And in society there is a groupism, there is a casteism. So like we no need to do for like. Got it? All are equal means economically and socially equal. Here inequality is there, we can prove for the equality. Got it? So that an attempt should be made to foster the faith of the people. We have to try to, got it, faith. What is the meaning of faith here? We can believe. ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Got it? And we can implement in our life healthy national thoughts. We can involving by body and by mind. By body and by mind. So that is the healthy national thoughts. I'll give an example. ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ got it? ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸೆಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತವನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಆದರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಬೈಕೊಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಬ್ಬಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನೂ ಸಹ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್. Then precautions should be taken to check communalism as it would spoil the integrity, equality, fraternity and cultural diversity of India. ನಾವು ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್ ಏನನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಿಟಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನೂ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರಟರ್ನಿಟಿನೂ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ, ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿನೂ ಸಹ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್, ಕಾಮನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ commit themselves, got it, and they give an importance for secular values. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಎಂಬ ಭಾವನೆ ಅವರು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್. Then another one very important, dear students, status of women, the position of women, the condition of women. Do you know the ancient time the women are belonging to only kitchen room, they won't come out of the family, got it? They not involving such any kind of festivals, tradition, culture, etc., that is ancient time. But we have to see at present 21st century there is a lot of changes. There is a lot of changes. The change is necessary in a society. Then now, at what type of condition available for in a society for women, that we have to learn the condition of women. See the achievement of women during pre-independent. So before the independent, the women achievement is notable because of the reason most of the women are playing very important role. See such a women are Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, Kitturu Rani Chennamma. Then after Annie Besant, Kasturba Gandhi, Savitribai Phule, Sarojini Naidu. See, such a wonderful women. What they led greatest contributions to the society pre-independent. We can remember only for few women before the independence. Women are present in all walks of life. What it? Before that, most of the notable women are there, but now women are present in all walks of life. Walks of life means the women are involving in a different and variety types of the occupations. Different and variety types of the occupations. ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗ್ನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೀನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್. ಸಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್, got it? Field of health. Medical means field of health. And see teaching field also, compared to males, females are more. Even further in the field of engineering also, compared to males, females are more. Pilot, but a person who flies an airplane, so that is very important. And astronaut, but a person who is trying to travel in a spacecraft, got it? Gaganayatri anta karitare. Nowadays females are most famous. Police and politics, got it? Military also is there for the females. So this is women are present in all walks of life. They involving in a different and variety types of the occupations like medical, teaching, engineering, pilot, astronaut, police, politics, military and other areas. So in this way women are recognizing very well. It means also few of the reasons purpose the women's condition, the women's status is very low. Here see, still the status of women needs a lot of improvement Because of the reason, the status of women has remained low due to the social customs. So most of the customs are there. What we can saying about ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆಗಳು. Got it? See, most of the up to 10th standard, the females going to school, but after only few females college. Higher education purpose only few. ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓದಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವರು, ಬೇಗ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ, ಬಡತನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಕಾರಣ. ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಟರಸಿ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದೀಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಅಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೋ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್. Got it? That is why government implemented lot of measures. Got it? To development of the status of the women. Got it? Now we have to learn at what type of steps has been taken by government to improve the status of women. Steps to improve the status of women or condition of women. So here see, government establishing women and child development departments. If women or children are facing any kind of problems, means they have to give complaint in women department for women and child department for a child development department for the children. So here government are establishing only for the women and the children purpose. Then here mainly government trying, see, through the various measures taken, the government seeks to improve the status, health and education of the women. There is a reservation in the field of education. There is a reservation in the field of education, even the health also. Government trying to more. And many programs have been implemented to curb, do you know, like to control of the child marriage. So at present 21 years for male and 18 years for the female. Got it? So most of the females are without completing of 18 years involving in a marriage by pressure of the parents. By pressure of the parents. So like most of the programs implemented by government to control, curb means control the child marriage system, and dowry prohibition. What is a dowry? Transfer of property female to male, especially in the time of marriage. But nowadays we should call this as a gift. This is also one of the important worst method. Dowry Prohibition Act implemented by government, and compulsory education. Compulsory education for the women. So these are the steps are implemented by government, and apart from these few steps also again implemented. So before that, so here women and child departments playing very important role, and education facility, got it, and completely solving for the child marriage, dowry prohibition and compulsory education. Like here government providing lot of measures to improve the status of women. Then after here implementation of Stree Shakti program. Stree Shakti, the power of women. Stree Shakti, you know, like name only having the power of women. It means the self-help groups. In case the females are suffer due to any kind of problems, they need self-support through the Stree Shakti. You know, ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಸಂಘ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಸಂಘಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಟಚ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್. And here like Stree Shakti self-help groups, association of self-help groups have been formed. No, most of the females are joined together. They only established different and various types of the organization by involving only for the female but not for the male. Because of the reason, the self-development, women development is very important. And women commission have been established at national level and state level to address the various issues of women. So women are facing a lot of problems. To avoid that problems purpose, to avoid such a problems purpose, state level some of the commissions are there, and even for the national level also some of the important commissions are there. It means organizations or institutions. These are all the steps to improve the status of women. And here attempts are made to provide reservation at state and national legislature bodies. There is a reservation. Karnataka is one of the important state, only one and only state to provide 50% of reservation for the female. Got it? And women reservation has already been provided at local bodies. There is a reservation for Grama Panchayati and Jilla Panchayati level, especially for the women's. And women reservation is also provided in government recruitment. It means in the field of job. ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವುಮೆನ್ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Got it? See here, few women are led a greatest contribution to the society. Such a important women are. Got it? So in India, Indira Gandhi was the first prime minister of long time. Indira Gandhi, first prime minister, woman prime minister of our Indian country for a long time. And Pratibha Patil, president of our Indian country, first woman president of our Indian country. Sarojini Naidu, first woman governor of our Indian country. Sucheta Kripalani, first woman chief minister of our India. Got it? First woman chief minister in India, Sucheta Kripalani. First woman governor, Sarojini Naidu. First woman president, Pratibha Patil. First woman prime minister, Indira Gandhi. Like, look at here, Indira Gandhi and Pratibha Patil. Then here, some of the important, many women have performed various roles in ambassadors. It means between the states, got it? They worked as ambassadors. It means Rayabarigalu and many governors. I already told Sarojini Naidu, Minister Sucheta Kripalani, Chief Minister Sucheta Kripalani. In the many other fields, they influenced very, very well. Got it? The success of these women has been inspirational for many women. These women, look at the pictures. Sucheta Kripalani, first woman chief minister. First woman chief minister. Mary Kom, she was a boxer. Mary Kom, she was a boxer. Sunita Williams, do you know like that? Astronaut. Sunita Williams, astronaut. ಗಗನ ಯಾತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್, ಗ್ರಹಗಳನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಚಂದ್ರಗ್ರಹಕ್ಕೆ, ಮಂಗಳ ಗ್ರಹಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸುನೀತಾ ವಿಲಿಯಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮೆನ್. Well, dear students, in the next session, session number 3, we have to gather in detail information about terrorism. So this is Chandrasekhar, social science teacher, BGS Public School, Shidlaghatta. Thank you. Have a nice day.